Hey YouTubers, Jose Fantastiville here in outside New Braunfels, Texas, on the Guadalupe River. I'm at Sons Guadalupe. This is the phone number there, contact, got a QR code. This is one of the locations along the Guadalupe River. It's called River Road. It runs along the length of the river to a certain point. Just going through right now. We're here, me and some friends. We had an event last night, but I'm at the actual park area. The people behind me are going on their first experience on the river. They got tents and cabanas set up where you can rent. I'll put a link in the description below so you could see all that they provide here. I go by the area where the people will live. Some of the warnings, of course, no lifeguards when you're out there swimming at your own risk. Some of the rules there. Go out to the river real quick so you see. Again, these are all rentals, either the tents or the cabanas. This is a smaller location. They have 2 other locations. They got barbecue grills out here too. I'm in the midsection area. And then they rent those too. So some of the cabanas, when you rent them, you get those tents with the little tables also and stuff like that. And then there's the river down there, Guadalupe. Go down there, I haven't eaten yet. Put my Crocs on. So there's one view down there. There's a lot of rocks under the water. Another area down here. That's the view. A nice little concept flow. So they'll have tubing trips that we either go from up there, come down the river, and then they'll pick you up and take you back to your site where you're at. So a little bit later, I'll try to get my hands on a tube and then go down at some. Then you see the cabanas up here and stuff like that, and then these tables that you get with your cabana. Again, you have to watch out, there's some rocks. The depth is different, so again, you gotta pay attention. I just walked on a bad rock. See the big rocks are even the steps. Go to the area I'm at, where we're at. Again, it's just a nice sized little area. I'm gonna stop it, and instead if I get a hand on a tube, I'll go down the tube for a little bit.
I want to block the difference.
That's not our food. I just walked by it. Going back to our table. That table area yours too, right? The table with the tent?
There's two right here.
Okay.
The one with all the tubes
Yeah.
and the one to the right over here.
All right.
The stairs and the one with the tubes.
All right. Sounds good. And go back out here. About 95 degrees today. Woo, cold.
I can make some more.
Again, that's the view that way. I'm in the shade. I'll go out in the sun a little bit. Saw some good barbecue earlier down there and stuff. And that's the view going that way. We'll go out to the other side in a little bit. And then back above. Water's kind of brown, so you really can't see the bottom from the runoff. So there's drops in between these rocks. See the rock there. Not too bad here. It's clear. You guys see the rocks. I don't really see that, but so I'm on the other side right now. Still at the Suns. Got the cliffs there. The water's been down, they say 20 feet. I don't know how much 20 feet makes a big difference here. But over at the lake, about 25 feet. Then you see where the river curves that way slowly. Then where it goes that way, it winds. Again, we got here on the river road. Yeah, there's my feet. I haven't been out in the sun in a while. Always wearing jeans for work or work pants. The seashell? Okay, shell. Okay, brown color. Huh. Some more on this side. Go back down this other way. Again, just a weekend here. I'm going upstream right now. It's a nice little weekend in Central Texas. The other side of New Braunfels along River Road on the Guadalupe River. About 95 to 99 degrees today, depending on what area you're in. I haven't seen a large group today, but there's areas where you can rent tubes and go down. Take about an hour and a half to 3 hour tubing trips. You start at a company's location and they'll pick you up at another location, bus you back. So this sun's location, it ends right there where that trees open up. And then the other way over there is the same thing where the trees open up. So this is a newer Sun's location. They have another one in San Marcos area, but I'll put the description of this one, like I said before, the link in the description area. It's pretty clean. They don't allow any bottles in the water. If you're gonna drink like you see some of the people drinking or talking, wherever it's aluminum cans or plastic, you gotta take your trash in. Whatever trash you bring in, you gotta take out with you. And then tall trees for all the insects. I'll head back to the other end. Their location's got two different sets of steps to go through. We'll probably be renting a swimming pool later on down the road. The water is cooler, of course, when you get deeper. See the water flowing. This area's got a dead animal. It's not a dead animal. There's a shoe down there. They're trying to cook food over here. Got them. Don't jump off rocks. Remember last time you jumped off a rock. Alright. Okay. My wife's supervising the cooking.
Street food in the proteins like body.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and then the
Where was the round one?
She
just walked by. What's that one called?
So what? What happened?
The quill?
This one is fish balls, this one is lobster balls.
Okay. Where? Yeah, they sell there. Because you never asked to go there.
Ano to eh? Nakasaksak na.
What's this one?
Nakasaksak na. Wireless yan, wireless.
The vinegar, right?
Yeah, the vinegar.
Kailangan mo pinitay sa likod. Hindi ko jabok na mo.
Then they buy that.
The propane. Oh, look, colleagues.
Let's try going David bro.
It's trying to cook.
Hello. Hindi, lumaki na yan. Lumaki na.
Wala na hati na yun.
Lumalaki na.
Wait.
This one is sweet, spicy, and vinegar spicy.
Are you putting like up?
And very spicy.
Ah, you have to put it in a cup.
Ay, ito lang.
There's spice a little bit sour.
Yeah, andito yung mga kanisyo.
May asim pa.
I'm a little bit tart and a
Sabi
little
may
bit
asim pa. Yan. May asim pa.
So sweet, and spicy, and vinegar. Oh, this one has let's have try this or
Fish ball, lobster.
What's that one? The crab?
what do you want? Vinegar?
Oh yeah.
Maybe what do you want, baby? Sweet sauce or vinegar or Mexican? Up to whatever.
Come to check you out, Nico.
Oh yeah.
$5.
$5. Now they back home. Just like that. The setup.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, Nico always brings it back, man. Brings back the hometown. Yeah. Yeah, we're blessed, man. We're blessed.
Spicy.
Hey YouTubers, I'm leaving the Suns here in the New Braunfels area. Nice little place to relax. Again, I'll put the link in the description. If you like this video of this little river resort area just to hang out on a weekend in Central Texas, go and like, share, subscribe. Have a good day. Adios.